It's a very exciting life kasi Raquel and I are both professionals. We are both in the cooking industry. At the same time, you also have to balance your life kasi you still have the other busy life, which is the 3 kids. Number 1 would be the health issue. My mom and dad both have history of diabetes, leukemia and cancer. Yun yung lagi kong iniisip, no? Kailangan ma-prevent natin kung ano man yung mga pwedeng i-prevent. Long-term goals is to give better life pa for the kids. I want a life that is very comfortable. Not naman too extravagant. My family kasi, the kids, they love to travel. So, long-term goal is to provide more and to travel more with the kids. After getting married and now with the 3 kids, you want to live longer and provide a better life. Not just for me and Raquel, but of course, yung future ng kids. The number 1 thing is to eat right. So, kung kumakain ka pa ng lechong kawali araw-araw, or magsisteak ka araw-araw, or fried chicken, soft drinks, sasabayan mo pa ng beer, it would definitely ruin your health. So, kailangan talaga just to eat right and then try to work out as much as possible. It's a necessity. For me, having a medical insurance is one of the most important things that you need in life, especially if you can afford it. We are now living in a life na marami ng flaws. The food that we eat is totally different from what our elders are eating. Yung lifestyle natin, totally ibang-iba sa kanila. Ngayon, yung sakit natin, kalat na kaagad eh. So, it's a necessity now to have a medical insurance. Kumuha kami ng medical insurance after the birth of our eldest. Sabi natin, ako, kailangan meron tayong konting insurance para sa kalusugan natin. So, with the help of the medical insurance, not only will you be secured, but you will also have assistance when it comes to the finances. Yung kanyang pangalan, yung kanyang dependability, tsaka syempre yung service. Very important kasi yung after service and then kung may kailangan ka or matutulungan ka ba nila, I think that was our priority. We had a friend who gave us the contact number of Pacific Cross. And then based from our experience, and they were very satisfied on the results. We didn't actually inquire on any other medical insurance na. We were already set on Pacific Cross kasi nga maganda nga yung review nung friend ko. And then tinanong pa namin yung iba, sabi nila okay din daw. So yun na. We didn't go anywhere else na. Pacific Cross is part of our family na. Dami na naming experiences with Blue Cross. Tumulong sa amin, nag-provide para sa amin. We also became friends na rin with some of the people in the company. So, nagkaroon na rin kami ng deep relationship with them. Before we traveled to Japan, nag-heads up na kami kay Pacific Cross para just in case there's going to be an emergency, naka-note na sa kanila. Thank God na may ganun kaming ginawa. And then, nung nagkaroon na ako ng chance to call Mikel, that was the first thing that I had to do. Binigyan niya ako ng details on what to do. Don't forget to ask for these types of documents para pag-uwi, ma-file. Eventually, my dad saved me pa. Yun sa appendicitis naman, I had no clue na it was appendicitis already. I was just in pain. Akala ko lang na nagkakaroon ako ng abdominal pain simply because of muscle pain lang from my bowling match. And then eventually, Sabi ko, sige na nga, punta na lang ako ng ER para ipa-check ito, no? So, may mga ginawa sila, x-ray, ultrasound pa nga. And then after, bumalik yung doctor, sabi niya sa akin, hindi na kita pa uuwiin. Kailangan ka na kasi namin operahan agad dahil nga, no, pumutok na yung appendix. Dito na sinabi na, huwag kang uuwi or else mamamatay ka dahil kakalat na yung lason sa organs mo. And then, we had to rush na to the operating room. Tapos, ang tagal ko pa sa hospital, parang mga 250 to 300,000 yata yung kinailangan naming gastusin. Every time someone is sick, especially the kids, yung mga 1-year-old or 2-year-old pa lang yun, those were the times na talagang napakahirap kasi all they can do is cry. As parents, so the only way for us to know it is to bring them to the ER. What happened to Saffron was he developed a lump in his left neck. According to the doctors, hindi siya mumps kasi it was just below the jaw. He started developing high fever. He started vomiting, nag-blood test na, nag-IV na, iyak ng iyak kasi ang gulo eh. We spent a total of 15 days in the hospital. 10 days figuring out what's been happening to him. Nung nalaman na namin, viral, some sort of stuff, it even came to a point na the doctors had to operate. Kailangan na tanggalin what's inside of that lump. So, spent another 5 days in the hospital until sa gumaling siya. The finances was just too much. We were already talking to around 5 to 7 doctors. Natulungan kami ng Pacific Cross mag-shoulder ng expenses. And without it, talagang mahihirapan kami sa gastos. Important lesson for me is I'm very happy that we have a medical insurance. Sobra. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng pangunahan yung sakit eh. Kung alam lang talaga namin, we could have gotten Pacific Cross earlier. Baka nga dapat nung kinasal pa lang kami, kumuha na kami na very, very happy about it. Number 1, dependability. And then number 2 is consistent. The third one would actually be yung care na binibigay ng Pacific Cross. Simply because nga yung mga past experience namin na kailangan namin gamitin si Pacific Cross, nakita kasi namin yung yung dependability ng company and the ease of the services. Sa Tagalog, maaasahan. No doubt na we will renew every year. A lot of families, they're always very skeptic about medical insurance. They would always prioritize on other things. If I will meet a new family like ours, I would always tell them na getting a medical insurance is one of the most worth it things na pwede mong i-invest. Because right now, hindi mo pa yan nagagamit. Maniwala ka, hindi mo pa yan alam. But the moment na something happens to the family, tapos wala kang medical insurance, tapos kulang din yung savings mo, dun ka ngayon magsisisi. Bago mo pa pagsisihan yan, think about it na talaga. It's very important. It's easy for me to persuade someone. All I have to do is explain or tell my stories to her or him. I'm pretty sure he or she will be convinced agad. I think every family is also hoping for this, or a life that less problems, less sickness, basta healthy lahat. Basta masaya lahat, okay na sa akin. My kids, I would love them to become like us, no? Although we are not perfect, pinaka-importante dito is you learn the value and the meaning of life by living healthy, eating well, enjoying, but don't abuse your health. Always be humble and always love one another.
Sir
Thank you,
Don.
thank you.
Nakabi na po. Thank
Salamat.
you.